Hello, welcome to the video. In today's video, we are going to be covering how to use Canva on mobile. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So this is how Canva is on mobile. So to create a project, you click on the plus sign, then you can customize your canvas yourself. Add the width, the height, then you can create design. So these are the design you can work with, templates, then styles, combination and all. Then elements, this is where you get your video, shapes, graphics and all. Camera, this is your phone camera, brand hub. If you are into branding and all this stuff, this is where you set your brand hub and make things easier for you, like your fonts, so that everything will be consistent and in line. Upload, this is where you upload your images, your videos, audios that you can work with. So these are our canvas. I'm not going to be working with this. No, let's work with this. So this color, you can choose the color of your canvas, black, red. I usually go with black and white. You can just play with it. Then layouts. If you want to overlap in layouts. Sorry for that. Let's go back to the home page. So we're going to be creating a YouTube thumbnail very fast. In a minute, you click on the plus sign, click on YouTube thumbnail. Then you search for your design. If you want to create it from scratch, you can create it from scratch yourself. But if you want to create it with a template, already made template, you can create it already made template. So you can click on this. You see how to make. You click on the words, the text. You can move the text. So this is a shape. This is a shape. I'll be covering the shapes in the next video. How to make 3k dollars per week. So you can change this and delete the video, delete the image, there's a frame behind this image, so you can just delete the image and replace it with your own image. Come to uploads. You can add this, drag and drop, but it doesn't look professional, so just play around with it. Then to download your project, you click on this down arrow and download. Let's cancel that. You can name your project here by clicking those 3 dots. Here, YouTube thumbnail. And download. So it's already on JPEG, JPEG. So that's how you create, how to use Canva. So there are other things I didn't touch on. I will be touching on those things in the next video, like how to add elements and how to add how to add different stuffs to your work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.